Welcome to Python Functions with Parameters, explained like never before. In this session, you'll master the art of using single, multiple, and default parameters. If you've ever wondered how to make your functions smarter and more flexible, you're in the right place. Let's unlock the power of dynamic and reusable code. So, what exactly are parameters? Think of them as placeholders inside a function. They allow you to pass information into your code, giving it the power to do many different things. Why use parameters? Because they give you flexibility, reusability, and personalization. With parameters, your function can take different inputs and return varied outputs without needing to rewrite anything. One function, many possibilities. Let's begin with a simple example. Arya defines a function that greets the user. It takes one input, the user's name. Inside the function, Python prints welcome followed by the name. When Arya calls this function and gives it the name Arya, it says welcome Arya. When she calls it again with the name Leo, it says welcome Leo. One single function, customized greetings for anyone. Now Arya wants to add more information. Along with the name, she wants to include the user's city. So, she updates her function to accept two parameters, name and city. When she calls the function with Arya and Delhi, it says hello Arya from Delhi. When she passes Liam and London, it says hello Liam from London. Two inputs. One message. Personalized every time. With multiple parameters, Arya's app just became more useful and more human. Now every message includes both name and location. But what if someone doesn't provide every detail? Arya solves this with default parameters. She creates a function that takes a name and an optional country. If no country is given, it uses a default, India. So, when she passes just the name Arya, the output is, hi Arya, welcome from India. And when she passes both the name Luca and the country Italy, it says, hi Luca, welcome from Italy. Even without full input, the function knows what to say. Arya didn't have to write separate functions or add conditions. The default parameter handled everything. Neat, efficient, and reliable. That's a smart fallback. Default parameters make your code more robust. They give users the freedom to skip inputs without breaking your program. You write less code. You avoid errors. And you deliver a better experience. It's like building an app that already knows how to fill in the blanks. Now it's your turn. Here are 3 quick challenges to sharpen your skills. Challenge 1. Create a function that calculates the area of a rectangle. It should take 2 inputs, length and width, and return the area. Challenge 2. Write a function that greets a user with a default salutation. If the greeting isn't given, it should use hello by default. Challenge 3. Build a function that takes 3 numbers and returns their sum. Keep it clean. Keep it simple. Try calling it with different values. Congratulations! You've just learned how to make your Python function smarter with parameters. Want to keep going? Join AI Council's hands-on Python training. Build real-world projects. Earn a global certificate. And unlock new career opportunities with every line of code. Visit us at www.aicouncil.in. Or message us on WhatsApp at +91 742 866 1107. Automate smart. Code clean. Learn fast with AI Council.